Let's face it, long Word documents can get messy. That's especially true if all of your text is grouped together into one huge section. Separating blocks of text into bite-sized sections instantly streamlines the look and feel of your document. You can do this by using a section break in Word. Word section breaks make your content more manageable. In this screencast, I'm going to show you how to quickly use section and page breaks in Microsoft Word. The best place to find Word templates is Envato Elements. Elements has a premium offer that you just can't match: unlimited downloads. That's right, for a flat monthly rate, you can download and use as many stylish Microsoft Word templates as you want. Using them delivers stunning style right to you. You can add section break and Word sections to these templates, creating beautiful documents that are clear, concise, and easy to read. Plus, Elements offers countless other creative assets like fonts, stock photos, and more. You can use these resources paired with Word section break features today. For this tutorial, we'll be using the letterhead Word template from Envato Elements. As you can see in the previews here, it's a sleek and modern design that you can adapt for any topic. Jumping over to Word, I have the template opened up. As you can see, I've built in some content in the form of these paragraphs here, but notice how they're all grouped together. Although the subject changes in multiple locations, these breaks aren't clearly defined. It's time to add Word section breaks and page breaks. Before getting started, it pays to know the difference between the two. Section breaks add a bit of breathing room between paragraphs or sections. They help you distinguish between ideas and make your content more readable. Some section breaks are continuous, meaning that they keep text on the same page. Other options help you split sections across multiple pages, like odd and even numbered pages. Page breaks, on the other hand, automatically shift content to a new page, no matter how much open space you have left on the current one. These really let you open up space between sections with an unmistakable gap. To add a section break in Word, your first step is to select where you want to add the break. To do that, simply click your cursor in between two sentences as you're seeing me do here. You can add a section break wherever you want. Here, I picked this spot to add some space between the two sections of text that are currently mashed together. To add Word section breaks, come up to the Insert drop-down menu here at the top of your screen. Clicking on it, you'll see a variety of options. Towards the bottom, notice the Break option. Hover over it, and these options to add section and page breaks will appear. In this case, I want a simple section break that will add a bit of room between the two sections. The best choice for that is Section Break Continuous. I'm going to click on it and you'll see Word automatically add your section break. Notice that the block of text is split up, but remains on the same page. Now let's demonstrate a page break. Again, this splits any content after your selected spot across a new page in your document. It's the perfect way to add very clear visual separation between ideas. I'll place my cursor in this spot here. Then I'll go back to the Insert, Break drop-down menu, just like we did before. This time, however, I'm going to click on Page Break here. Voila! Word will shift all content past your cursor onto the next page of your document. Of course, you can repeat these steps as many times as you need inside your Word documents. Still need more customization options? Don't forget that Envato Elements includes custom fonts too. As a subscriber, you can choose from thousands of font designs and download as many as you want. These are the perfect way to create one-of-a-kind Microsoft Word documents that readers will never forget. Check out the Envato Elements font library today. As you can see, page and section break options in Word help you craft elegant, readable documents that are easy to understand. Your perfect companion is a premium Word template from Envato Elements. With these templates, you benefit from the expertly built premium designs. Yet, you still preserve absolute creative control thanks to the ability to quickly add Word section breaks and other features. Simply click into your text blocks, hit Insert, and add section or page breaks. What are you waiting for? Visit Envato Elements and join today. Browse the thousands of Word template designs, download your favorites, and add section break options wherever you need them. It's really that easy. Before you go, don't forget to hit like on this video. Plus, be sure to subscribe to the Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel. There you'll find content roundups, tutorials, courses, and much more. It's the best place online for creative inspiration, so don't miss out. I'm Andrew Childress for Envato Tuts Plus, and thanks again for joining me.